so I can knock you down.
If there's a duel to duel,
Duel! Here I go. It's my turn. How am I supposed to win? But I can't set a card. I activate my spell card. Red Eye's Insight. I activate my spell card. Red Eye's Fusion. Fusion Summon. Red Eye's Dark Dragoon. I set a monster face down. I get my turn. No one messes with Joey Wheeler. It's my turn. I draw. Check out my A-game. I activate my spell card. Red Eye's Fusion. I activate my trap. Red Eye's Spirit. Red Eye's Black Dragon. This Malamite's a super rare monster. I fusion summon a monster. Archfiend Black Skull Dragon. Check out my A-game. I set a card face down. I set a monster face down. Let's battle. Archfiend Black Skull Dragon, attack! Archfiend Black Skull Dragon activates its effect. I activate Red Eye's Dark Dragoon's effect. I get my turn. No one messes with Joey Wheeler. It's my turn. I draw. I activate Red Eye's Dark Dragoon's effect. That won't keep me down. I set a monster. Let's battle. Lights out. Red Eye's Dark Dragoon. Ah! I hate to admit it, but you got the better of me this time. Too bad. Sometimes stems the breaks.